Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I am going to show you the products that I have purchased from IKEA, Hyderabad. So I have purchased many organizing materials and also few toys for my kid. So I was completely satisfied with the products that they have in the shop. All the products are of good quality and the prices are reasonable. The only section that I was not completely satisfied was kids section. I felt it was a little costlier. So I'll show you what are all the products that I have purchased from IKEA. Come on, let's get started. The first one are these finger puppets. It had 10 pieces in a set and the price of this is 399 rupees. It is little costlier according to me, but the quality of the material is really very good. And the next are these pen stands, and I bought them for 129 rupees. It is a set actually, so in a set we are getting 2 pen stands. It is quite heavy. And the next one is this hanger set, and there were 12 pieces in it, and the price of this is 129 rupees. And this is the most favorite of all the products that I have purchased. This is a toy cookware set and the price of this is 699 rupees. And the price of this kitchen utensil set is 299 rupees. Both are a little costlier according to me, but the quality again, trust me, they are very good. And the price of this kitchen utensil set is 469 rupees. And this one is a food storage containers. And I bought 4 of them and the price of each container is 99 rupees. And the next are these cute products. One is the money box and the other one is the snack box for my kid. And the price of this money box is 199 rupees and the price of the snack box is 169 rupees. And the next are these 3 stackable food storage containers. These 3 boxes come in a set and the price of these 3 boxes are 149 rupees, and this is really affordable because the quality is good. I love this product. The price of this product is 49 rupees and this is a bottle brush, and look at this handle, how long it is. So any big water bottle you can clean it very easily. And the next one is the storage bag, and I bought this for 169 rupees, and this is a very huge bag. I have stored at least a minimum of 6 bedspreads inside this, and I have kept it inside my wardrobe. And the next are these 2 cute little cushions, and the price of this cushion is 99 rupees each. And the next one are these kitchen floor mats and this lunch bag. The price of this lunch bag is 200 rupees and the price of the floor mat is 99 rupees each. And the next one is the storage baskets, which you would have seen in my wardrobe organization. And the price of one basket is 239 rupees. And the next one is this kids chair, and the price of this is 799 rupees. And this is a real deal for us, a good deal for us, because the quality of the material is really very good and there were many color options available. And the next one is this laundry basket, and again this is really affordable. The price of this laundry bag is 279 rupees. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know which one is your favorite product in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.